country has a national bird, but some birds are way worse than others. Like, the bald eagle is not that bad compared to something like the Canada goose. The Canada goose is an attacker by every front. Like, oh yes, the American eagle, so brave and strong. No. The Canada goose will literally attack you. Like, straight up. But that's not the worst one, in my opinion. I may be Canadian, and I might be biased, but the Canada goose is not as bad as the emus. Hey everyone! I am a storyteller through and through. I have a habit of making a lot of stories, but I want to figure out which one to write first, as I am going to try to do writing and producing. Which one would you prefer more? A murder mystery of 10 people at a mansion? Or a defense attorney's worst client ever? Whichever one is suggested most down below of those two will be the first one I'm going to write. Wow, writer or producer. A dream. Wait, blue. Wait, don't do this one, but like... Hey, writer, producer, a dream! But that's not the worst in my opinion. The emus. He literally had a war against the emus in Australia. If that's just not fun, that's just not fun. Like, imagine a war against your own national animal. Like, and the army lost the war against the emus. Like, that's just crazy. They lost the war against their national bird. They lost the war against a bird with more casualties to the people than the birds. How in the world did that happen? Please explain. Because I cannot. They're just faster, stronger. You know, like, they went against the flipping military here. Yeah, apparently, the first one, 50 emus, they ran in 2 separate groups, and so they were difficult to attack. Like, how? That's the Great Emu War of 1932. But, like, that is just crazy, in my opinion. Just extremely crazy. Do I want to go against the emu? Or a Canada goose? Never. Never. Ever. Like and subscribe for more content. I hope you enjoy your